As I walk on daily, I think of what life is about. I get overwhelmed with discouragements when I forget of your goodness. How good you are to me, Lord. You knew all of my thoughts. You fulfill my silent prayers. You made a way for me. You're so good to me. May I never forget of all your faithfulness to me, even in